Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what they don't want you to know. Okay. So it's a PK pile reading. You need to choose one pile, whichever you are drawn towards. But it is about someone knowing like what they don't want you to know. So it is about someone. I think you, if at all you want to watch for multiple people, you can go for multiple piles. You can choose multiple piles, but for multiple. Okay. Don't watch all the piles for single person. Okay. If at all you have multiple people, 2-3 friends or whomever you are dealing with, then you can watch multiple piles. But as I always say, after watching one pile, if you want to watch another pile, give some time. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes break, then watch. Okay? Don't watch continuously. Your energies will get messed up. So let's get into the reading. So pile number 1, who choose yellow pile? What they don't want you to know. So pile number 1, here the zodiac signs are Capricorn, Libra and Taurus. Okay. So any of the signs, zodiac signs may be yours as well as the person whom you are looking for. Okay. So what they don't want you to know. Actually the thing is, truth is coming out. No matter how hard they may be trying that you should not know about something, truth is coming out. It's clear now. There is no cloudy thing, no clouds, no more hidden things. I can say picture clarity. Clarity, the truth is coming out. So what they don't want you to know is they are not working on. If at all you ask them to work on something, they are not working. If you ask them to learn something, they are not learning. They may be simply presenting themselves or behaving like they are working, but they are not working. Because this person is not willing to work on something, not willing to learn something, they don't want to do any kind of work. They are not interested to do any kind of work, because 3 of Pentacles is a card where one person is working very hard. They are putting their efforts, hard work, time, spending time on that work, on that project. But here it is in the reverse. They don't want to work. I think you may be this person's boss. The Emperor is nothing but a boss, or at least husband or father figure. Husband, father, or boss, higher authority. This person is working under you. That kind of energy here. Okay, someone is working under you, or at least it is like a father and kid kind of energy. So maybe you ask them to work on something, or they told that they will learn something, they will change something. It is like working on something, whether it is working on themselves, working on some kind of project, working on professional life. As simple as you ask them to study something, so they are pretending that they are doing, they are pretending that they are working on that, they are pretending that they are completely busy with that, they are spending their time on that. But here the thing is, the truth, clear truth is 3 of Pentacles in the reverse. They are not working. They are not, actually this person is not interested to work, whatever it may be. Whether it is a professional life, whether it is a relationship, whatever. You said something to do something, or you gave some work to this person to complete, but this person is not doing. Maybe you are in a father figure, the Emperor position. That is also one reason. You maybe have some kind of control over this person. That is also one reason. They are simply acting like they are working, but in the really they are not putting any efforts. Actually they are not willing to work on something. They are not willing to learn something new. They are not willing to change something. They are not in a mood to do, I can say, or they are not interested simply. So it's completely depends on you. Depends on you what kind of work you are giving them. Because first thing, if they are not interested, you should not tell. This message is for you also, okay? Because you are in the higher authority, even though if at all you are a boss, you are a spouse, you are their father figure. If someone is not interested to something, they are not interested, they are not showing any interest in some work, something, we should not force them. If at all we force, this is what happened. They simply waste time by presenting, by acting that they are doing it. But in the end, there is no result. Because in actually they are not working, they are just acting. Okay. So here I think now it's completely depends on your situation. Based on your situation, if at all these energies are matching, if these energies are matching with you, here I think you are in some higher authority. That is also one reason this person is working very hard, showing that. Okay, they are acting like they are working very hard. Here I am completely sensing that one boss is there, one employee is there. Okay, so boss is asking employee to complete something, and they said okay. Actually, they are not interested to do that work. Maybe you assign them some work which they don't want to do, and they want to hide that. That is also one reason they are acting like they are working. But the truth is, they are not ready to work. As simple as if you want some kind of change in this person, there may be some behavior which you don't like, because emperor is a very higher authoritative person who want everything in some kind of process or in some way. Okay, there is some rules and regulation in some way, that authority, that controlling power, they will tell that it should be like this only. Okay, so they may be having some kind of behavior which you don't like, so you simply ask them to change that behavior. This is not the right behavior, you need to change, or else you will be fired from the job. So they want job, they don't want to go out of this job, but they don't want to change the nature of their or their character, behavior, whatever you asked them to change. So whenever you are watching them or whenever you are coming around them, they are acting like the behavior what you want, they are showing. Whatever behavior you are expecting from them, they are acting like they are in that behavior, but in actually it is not. Now it is completely depends on you what kind of, in which way you, on what you ask them to work, whether their behavior, whether some project. But here why I am not telling, it is like Three of Pentacles is a one kind of working on some kind of project or working on ourselves, where we need some kind of support also, because one can not handle it. Here Three of Pentacles in the reverse, if at all you ask them to work with the team, they are not working with the team. Maybe you are coming around, they are mingling with the team and acting like they are with everyone, and they are also one of the team member, they are also working like a team, but they are completely out of that team, either they are completely working again as the team. So now you decide who is this person, because this is not the right behavior to have. If at all it is really a serious project, it is related to some kind of work related area, if at all you are an authoritative person in some kind of organization and you said that someone to work in the team, but this person is completely working again as the team, so that is very important for you, because which is happening behind your back, but in the front they may be acting like they are in the team, they are working with the team, but it is not the truth. The truth is Three of Pentacles in the reverse, and they don't want to come this out, or they don't want you to know this, but anyway it came out. Maybe I think it is not just in the tarot, maybe because your Ace of Swords is there, so you will get a chance to see the truth, I can say, because Ace of Swords is one kind of whatever things in the secret are hidden, or which is not clear, which is hiding from you, which is not completely clearly you are unable to see, that will come out. That means this person maybe till now they are hiding, or till now they are handled very well that you should not know about this, but you will get a chance because Ace of Swords is king. That means The truth will come out one way or other way. Something will happen, some situation will arise where you come to know that in actually this person is not working. Whatever you gave that project or whatever you told them to work on, they are not working on. They are not working on anything. They are simply not ready to work on it. It is unwillingness. It is not that there is no resources, there is a problem, that's why. It is not like that. Everything is there because you kept them, you gave everything. Emperor is nothing but the organization head. They have all the resources. But this person lacked that interest. And that's why I said, whatever work you gave, it is important first to know that whether that person is really interested to do that work or not. If they are not interested, we should not give them that work. If it is organization, if you ask them to change some kind of behavior which is not appreciated, I think here you are anyway, maybe whenever you are coming, they are showing the behavior what you want to see because they want to hide that. So they are simply showing or behaving the way you want to behave them. But finally you will come to know about the truth that this person is not changing. They are not changed. They are the way they are exactly. They are not changed. They are simply acting or simply pretending that they change. Okay. So now it's completely depends on you whether you want to keep this person in the organization or you need to fire them. I will fire them, this kind of people. Okay, if at all I am the boss, I will fire them. So this is the truth. They don't want you to know. And moreover here, if at all it is seriously, if we enter into deep, they are working against you. They are not in a team. Not against you. In the team, they are doing something. That means they are not working with the team, they are working against the team. They don't have dare to work against you because you are an emperor. This person is just a pentacle. That is 3 of pentacle and you are an emperor. You are the head of the organization. They are nothing in front of you. So let's move on to pile number 2. Who choose green pile? So pile number 2. Pile number 2. What they don't want you to know. So pile number 2, here the zodiac signs are Aries, and Virgo. Here I cannot say who is who because both are hiding something from each other. I think here 3 people are involved and it is like this Queen of Hands is very much single, very independent, very ambitious, very courageous. They are very passionate. They are waiting for the right partner, I can say, because it is 2 of Wands is partnership card. They are looking for partners. Okay, maybe business partner or life partner as well as, because I think these 2 cards are same, completely positive, complete lot of passion, lot of confidence, lot of fiery. These 2 cards are same. This Queen of Wands is waiting for this partnership. 2 of Wands. With 2 of Wands, they have a lot of knowledge about business, about worldly natures or 3D world, I can say. They have a lot of knowledge about 3D world. They are a very passionate person. They are ready to change kind of person. It is not like resist to change. They don't resist to change. They are go-getter because this person itself is a passionate person. If they want something, they know how to get it. That kind of person. And for that, they don't run, they don't fight. They have plans. They will be having plans for different things, how to get it. That kind of energy. It is not like if they want to get it means they will go and fight and they don't waste time. They are very business minded. Because when we see fiery people, we mostly when we see or hear that is a fiery sign, fire sign, we immediately get that fiery means they will fight. This person is not that kind of person. They are very fiery, but completely logical brain. They use complete logical brain. There is no emotions, nothing, and a very balanced person. That is also one reason they never use their fire unless they think that this is the right time to use the fire. That kind of energy, and they are very much confident person, because they know that if they set some goal, they know it is like they know how to get it. They will have plan for it, or I can say that when they want something, immediately they will get plan to how to get it. That is also one reason they will simply sit and let the things happen. That kind of energy. They won't run, they won't fight, they won't waste their energy. Calm nature. Because why I am telling is their surrounding is very calm, very peaceful. They are very beautiful. It is like a beauty with brain, and they are ready for the partnership. Maybe this is what they are hiding. So pile number 2, we are watching. They are looking for the partnerships. They may be looking for the right partner for them, or who can be their business partner. Because as I said, they are very fiery, passionate queen who is having a lot of ambitions, goals. So for them, it is very important when they are choosing the partner, they should be very career oriented. And here the thing is, if at all you are this person, that's why I said I cannot say who is who, because both are hiding. Here this Queen of Wands is hiding that, or they don't want you to know that they are looking for the partners. They are open to the options. And this Knight of Pentacles, now you decide based on the energies who you are. Are you Queen of Wands? Are you Knight of Pentacles? Okay, because here two energies are completely, they are not revealed. This person is looking for the partnerships. They don't want you to know. But even this person also having offer in their hand, they want to offer this coin to this Queen of Wands, but they don't want you to know. That's why I said, now decide which energy is matching with you. Based on that, take the messages. So here Knight of Pentacles also very single person, very youth kind of nature, very trusted person, very trustworthy I can say, or a honest person, very stable. Not like a King of Pentacles, but we can trust this person because this person is very patient person, very patient. It is like very patient, very grounded, stubborn kind of nature, but in a good way. When I say stubborn, it is in a good way. This person know how to wait for the right things to come. It is like if they want something, they will get it. It is slightly different. These people hold some same kind of nature. Like if this Queen of Wands wants something, they know how to get it. They will be having plans. They will go according to that plans. Maybe they have a number of plans. So that is also one reason they will simply sit silently. They won't. It is like they show like they are not. It is mostly they won't disturb their mental peace, I can say, or the surroundings to get something. They won't do that. I want this also. I want to work. They will work. They will get it, but in some particular way will be there. Some strategies will be there. Based on that, they will deal with it. I can say that they will deal everything as a business deal. Okay. And this person also, if they want something, they will get it. But this person is very patient person. If they want something, they will get it. For that, if they need to wait for 5 to 10 years also, they will wait for it and they will get it. But they won't let it go. That kind of energy. If they want something, they will. But it is not like they will run away and they will get it. They will grab it. No, not that kind of energy. They have very patience. Very patient person. That's why I said stubborn, but in a good way. That stubbornness is like they want something, they know that these people both are grounded people, very grounded people. They know that they want something, they will wait for it, they will just see the things, how they are moving, they will observe the things, how they are moving, but they will keep an eye that this whatever they want, that should not be taken by someone. That kind of energy, okay? So here this person want to offer something stable to this Queen of Wands, but they don't want you to know. This both people are don't want the both should know about it, I can say. Here one thing is clear that this Queen of Wands is open, means they are ready for the change. If they are not waiting for this Knight of Pentacles, I can say, because they are waiting for the partnership. If at all it is Knight of Pentacles, if he thinks that this person is okay for their business and all, then it is okay. If it is not Knight of, this person Queen of Wands is keeping their options open, and this Knight of Pentacles is not, they want to offer something stable to this Queen of Wands, but they don't want this Queen of Wands to know about that they are interested and they are seeing as their match, or they are seeing at least as their business partner, or they want to offer some kind of business opportunity which is very stable, very grounded, which have potential to move forward for very long term kind of thing, but they are not showing it. That is what they don't want this Queen of Wands to know about it. And this Queen of Wands is very much open for the partnerships. They don't want this person to know, I can say here. I don't think here it is like a hidden thing, because they are very much open. They are simply showing themselves as a single person. So here I don't think so. Here you are the person who is Knight of Pentacles. So pile number 2, whoever watching, you may be the Knight of Pentacles energy. But anyway, take the messages as it resonates. But here the situation wise, this person is completely open. It is revealing here. It is completely showing that this person is single. This person, it is not there. That is the reason I am telling. Maybe this person want to offer something stable to this person, Queen of Wands, but they don't want this Queen of Wands to know that they are going to offer something stable to them. Now it is completely depends on situation. Why? Because they both are, I think they both want, this person is completely waiting as a single. This person also having very great stable opportunity which can match with this Queen of Wands energy, because they want some kind of business as well as life partnership. It is not like just life partnership. So this Knight of Pentacles is also like a one kind of business opportunity. Or more than friendship kind of thing, which is in between the committed, complete King of Pentacle and the Page of Pentacle between. So it is like more than friends, but they are not ready for the commitment as of now, because it is Knight. They need some time. As I said, this person is very slow, not slow, they are very patient. Yeah, they want to take the things very slowly. It is not rush. They don't want to rush anything. So, and this person is very much open for the partnerships, whether it is a business, whether it is a life partnerships. But anyway, they are waiting for a right partner for them. So now decide completely, because still I cannot say that this is a person, because one way I can say that this is a green card. So you may be this Knight of Pentacle, because Knight of Pentacle is a very grounded card, very honest, very trustworthy, very patient. It doesn't mean that Queen of Wands is not a patient card. It is like when we are seeing them, they may not look like patient, because they know how to get the things in the timeline. Maybe this person won't be having any kind of timeline. They will think that, okay, I want to get this thing. They don't decide till what time they need to get it. But this person, no, they will have some kind of timelines. They will decide. That's why I say strategy. They will be having strategy, that end time, deadline kind of thing. That's why I say this person is completely business minded kind of person who set deadlines for everything. So if it is not like if it is not going to happen, they know that how to get it in the timeline. That kind of energy. And this person is not that energy. They will also get it, but they won't set any kind of timelines. They will wait, because they are very patient. They can wait. This person, it doesn't mean that they are not going to wait. The thing is, they will set the timings. This timeline is for this goal. No matter what happened in this timeline, they should reach that goal. This person will be having some kind, this goal should be reached. That's it. They don't know that when it is going to reach. Maybe this person is not ready for the pressure, I can say. This person is very much ready for the pressure. Because when we set the timelines, we need to take that pressure. So this person won't take pressure. This person is ready for that pressure. That is also one reason they set the timelines. So now you decide who is Queen of Wands and who is Knight of Pentacles. So let's move on to pile number 3, who chose blue pile. So pile number 3, what they don't want you to know. Everything, all the cards are King of Swords, Queen of Swords, all kings, one king, two kings. What is happening? Pile number 3, who chose blue pile, dealing with multiple people, all are kings. So pile number 3, here the zodiac signs are Aquarius, Libra, Leo. Now I don't know why, because 3 are completely different energies. These 2 people are matched. King of Swords, Queen of Swords, complete match. But they are not seeing each other. And this King of Wands, I don't know, poor person, how they appeared in your reading. It is out of the blue. So now you decide who you are, whether you are a King of Swords, King of Swords, King of Wands. The thing is here, what they don't want you to know is everyone in their own way, I can say. No one is ready to compromise. When it takes to King of Swords, they are very honest, they are very blunt, they are very strict. It is like my way or highway. Okay? They will decide what should happen, what should be done in the situation, or what way you need to go. It is like a soldier kind of energy. Very communicative, very authoritative. With voice they control the people, and they will be having control over people. Okay, at least whatever in their hands, everything will be under their control. They won't give that control to others. That kind of energy. And this Queen of Swords is also very independent, very cutthroat, very blunt, very honest, very trustworthy. These 2 people are very trustworthy, no doubt in that. And both are in the King and Queen, so same energy. But here the thing is, this person also my way or highway. If anyone comes into their boundaries, they don't hesitate to cut their throat. It is like a military people. These 2 people are like a military kind of people, or soldiers, I can say, army kind of people. They don't give F about who you are. They don't question who you are, why you came. If you enter in their boundary without their permission, first they will cut your throat. That kind of thing. Very strict, very blunt. And these 2 people are my way or highway. That is also one reason they are not seeing each other. Okay? Now you decide who you are. Whomever you are, yet simply the thing is, both nature are same, both are same. One is feminine energy, one is masculine energy. Only that is the difference. But when character comes, when the nature comes, both are same. And this King of Wands is completely a different card. They are very passionate. They may deal things with the passionate level, or I can say they show a lot of fire, passion, courage to do the things, to surrounded by the people, where people can easily approach them, easily have them in their life, because this person is not like these people. These people are very strict. This person is fiery, friendly. It is not that they are, means they will give freedom to people to enter in their life. People don't get intimidated. Yeah, that's the right word. People don't get intimidated to approach this person, but people get intimidated to approach these people. These 2 people are completely in a different energy. As I said, army people. How army people will be there when they try to cross boundaries, they will take action immediately. They don't think, they don't wait. This person is not like that. Anyone can come in their boundaries. It is not that they don't know how to set the boundaries. It is like they give freedom, that kind of friendly nature. Not freedom, it is like a friendly nature, very outgoing kind of person. To have friends, they love to have people around them. They love to have friends. Different kind of energy. That's why I said these people are completely different. These people are completely different. This person is completely different. So that's why I said, how come this person came in this picture? These people are already in a fire, and this fire came. So now decide who is who. So what they don't want you to know is everyone is in their power, and no one want to get compromised, or no one want to come into some kind of common ground. They don't want to meet in a common ground. At least these two people. Okay, because as I said, King of Wands is not a intimidated card. If at all you approach them friendly nature, with a friendly way, they will come to some kind of compromisation. They are ready to adjust, they are ready to compromise. But these people are not. These people are not ready for the compromisation, adjustment, all those things. Everything should be happen the way they decided. They will be having some kind of boundaries, rules should follow. Because that's why I said army. They don't care who you are. Once you enter into the army, you should follow army rules. Okay? Out of the army, what you do, they don't care. But when you are in the army, you should follow whatever rules, whether you like it or not. So that soldiers, both are soldiers kind of energy. So they want to follow not just you, whomever enters. That is their energy, and that's how they deal with the life, I can say. Okay? But they are very trustworthy. As we see, they are very independent, leadership qualities. This person also having leadership qualities. It doesn't mean that King of Wands is not a leader. But the thing is, this person will be a friendly nature. People don't hesitate to approach them. People don't hesitate or don't get intimidated to share something. They don't feel any kind of hesitation or any kind of fear to share something with them. They will be very free to approach. But these people are not like that. So now everyone is in their, what they don't want you know is, everyone is in their power. No one want to meet in the common ground. That's what. But as I said, this person, okay, at some level you can approach this King of Wands. They will come to the common ground. They are ready to meet in the common ground. But these people, I don't think so, because they are in their power. This person, I think King of Wands is little bit of it is not handle. It is like okay to handle, manage, okay to handle. But these people are really dangerous, I can say. Not dangerous, as I said. Army are not dangerous unless you cross the boundaries. That kind of energy. So now you decide, are you a King of Swords? Are you King of Swords? So here, no one want to give up. If at all you are looking for something, they are working on something. That's why I said, whomever involved in this situation, everyone is in their power. And they don't want to leave their power. They don't want to give that power to anyone. This King of Swords is in their power. This King of Swords is in their power. King of Wands is in their power. But as I said, it is not that powerful kind of thing. Power means, okay, if someone comes, approach them, someone sit with them, talk to them in a friendly way. If anything need to be compromised, they are ready to do it. Manipulation is different thing. You can't even imagine to do manipulate these people, because when they are in their power, as I said, if they understood that you are lying, you are not trustworthy, they won't take much time. They will cut your throat, they are cut out of their life. That is why I say very independent, not dependent on anyone, and very logical. That is the difference here. They both are very logical. They don't use their heart, or I can say they use their head over heart. Mostly they use their brain. They won't entertain any kind of emotions. This person is passion. They use passion. Passion means some kind of, that's a friendly nature, sharing some passionate things, creativity kind of things. These people are not that free to approach, I can say. This person is free to approach. So everyone is here, everyone is in their power. So here I don't think that they don't want you to know, because how they are behaving I don't know, but everyone is in their power completely. And one person is okay, you can approach them, you can talk to them, but two people are very difficult to manipulate them, approach. For approaching also, it is very difficult to approach these people. First thing, if you don't have exact logic, you don't have like, if at all you want to approach them, you should have proper logic for anything. If you don't have any kind of proper logic and you are approaching them, then you are gone, because they don't want to waste their time. They are completely different people. This person, okay, if you can approach them, you can sit them, you can waste their time, because it is a passionate card. They will creatively, funny, friendly. These people are very strict, very logical, very maybe they intellectual brain. They use logical brain more than heart. That is also one reason as of now. Okay, it doesn't mean that in their life there is no emotions. In the situation, whatever situation you may be dealing, it is completely different. Depends on you, but in this situation, these two people are very strict, very logical. It is like very, they don't want to come to the compromise, I can say, or they don't want to give up their power. They don't want to give their power to anyone. That kind of energies. Okay, so now completely depends on you what relation you are sharing with them, because why here 3 cards came out, not just 2 cards. So why you are dealing with these people, or you are dealing with these people. Here 2 masculine energies, 1 feminine energy. So completely depends on your situation, but anyway everyone is on their power. Okay, if at all you don't know that, I don't think they don't want you to know. It is not that they are hiding anything. No one is hiding here. Nothing is hidden. Everything is in the light, because sword itself is a truth. They are showing their own true self. It is not hiding anything. Okay, they are showing their truth. This is what they are. That kind of energy. They are not wearing any kind of masks and all. They are very much honest. They are showing what they are. So there is nothing to, nothing that they don't want you to know. If at all you don't know that, now you can know that everyone is in their power, whoever involved in this situation. So let's move on to pile number 4, who choose red pile. So pile number 4, what they don't want you to know. So pile number 4, the zodiac signs are Pisces, Aquarius, Capricorn. So here, what they don't want you to know is, whomever this person is, King of Cups, who is like a father figure, who is very balanced emotionally and logically, who is well matured emotionally. This person is very well matured emotionally. Okay, they know how to handle their emotions. They know how to handle people around them with love and care. At least with love, they show a lot of love around the people. With love, they handle the people, I can say. Okay, and they are like a father figure. They treat everyone as their kids. That they maintain that father figure. well balanced person, very mature person. No matter what age they may be, but they are very, very mature. At least when dealing, when it comes to emotions, they are a very mature person. Even though if they are just 30 years, they can handle emotions like 40, 50 years old kind of people. Because in the emotional area, they are very balanced. It is not like emotionally imbalanced, or they will get into the emotions, and they will, whenever they need to take the decisions, they won't dwell in the emotions. They know where to use their emotions. Even though they deal people with love, they bring the love into the situations. Wherever they go, they spread the love, but they know how to use it. They simply won't give that cup to each and every people. They know how to handle it with love. So what they don't want you to know is, they maybe had some kind of addictions in the past. Maybe drinking habit kind of thing. Okay. Now they are walking away from it. Anything, any addictions, whether it is a drinking, or whether it is some kind of patterns, negative thoughts, negative patterns, toxic patterns, toxic relationships, whatever toxicity in their life, whatever addictions in their life, they are walking away from everything. They are leaving all those things behind them. They don't want you to know about it. I don't know why they want to hide it, or simply maybe you don't know about it. Because why I am sensing that is, this person is King of Cups energy, which is very mature, very loving, very caring. In the father figure, when someone watch this person, when someone meet this person, they never think that, they never get that kind of thought that this person have some kind of addictions. They maintain that kind of image, I can say. Okay, they present themselves like that. But maybe in their life, they may be dealing with lot of addictions. Whether it is a drinking habit, whether it is some kind of, as I said, toxicity, negativity. Maybe they are dealing with some kind of toxic relationships, negative relationship. But in the people, to the world, they are presenting themselves as a King of Cups, who is very loving, very caring. When people meet them, people see them, they never think about this devil, these addictions. Because they are very loving, very caring, very nurturing kind of energy. Nurturing people, when people come into their energy, come to them, meet them, they feel very nurturing. That kind of energy. Very loving, very nurturing. So they can't even think that this person is dealing with this kind of mess. Because devil is nothing but a mess. Whatever addiction it may be, it is like a mess. So that is also one reason they don't want you to know that they had this kind of addiction. Whatever it is. Okay. But now they are leaving it. They are no more in that addictions. Whatever it may be, they are moving. They are leaving all those things. If at all it is karmic patterns, toxic patterns, negative thought process, they are leaving. They are no more thinking negatively. They are no more going into the same negative patterns or toxic patterns. If at all they are dealing with any kind of toxic relationships in their life, including their family, because this person is a very mature person, I don't think they will deal with each and everyone. It is like in their family, any kind of toxicity is happening, any kind of toxic relationships, toxic people is there, and they are leaving everyone behind. And that they don't want you to know. That is what I said. Maybe in the public image, they present themselves as a King of Cups. So when you meet them, or when you come to know about them, you should know about them like this one. But maybe they don't want to have this toxic pattern in their life, so they are leaving it. It is not that they are hiding it and that they are presenting themselves as this King of Cups. They are leaving. Maybe they understood that these patterns, whatever they are going, or whatever mess they are in, that is not good for them, or not good for you. Because why I am telling you is, this person want to offer their love to you. This King of Cups want to offer their love to you. So maybe that is also one reason, before offering this cup to you, it is better to change things. Better to clear that mess, I can say, clear that toxicity, clear that negativity. If at all they have any kind of drinking habit, they want to stop doing all those things, any kind of addictions, they want to come out of all those addictions, so that they can offer this cup. Even they feel happy because they are not hiding anything, because it is already past. That is also one reason they are moving forward. Moving, it is leaving that all addictions are patterns. So that when they offer this cup, they will be as they are. Maybe till now they presented themselves as a king of cups, but in the behind there is so much that is hidden, because devil is dark. Maybe it is their dark side, I can say. Maybe everyone will be having some our shadow side, dark side. So this person want to work on that dark side. They worked on that. That is also one reason it is like Six of Swords came. They are already came out of it. They worked on their dark side. That is nothing but dark side is like as simple as feeling jealousy about someone. That is nothing but your shadow side. You need to work on it, and when you work on it, you don't feel jealousy about anyone, because you know when working on it, nothing but you are sitting with yourself and asking why you are feeling jealous about certain people, certain things, certain situation. You will get the answers. Either you don't have that, or you never going to get it, something, or you don't like that person. You get the answer, then you can sort out, then you can clear the things. That means nothing but fixing. You need to fix that. That is also shadow side. That feeling jealousy, feeling hatred about someone, or having some kind of toxicity. That is nothing but addicted to some kind of attachments, trauma bonds. Mostly in the 3D world, lot of people deal with trauma bonds. That is not love. It is trauma bond. It means they will fight like a hell, and they will get back, and they think that this is true love. That is the reason we fight like a hell, still we are together. That is trauma bond. They don't heal themselves. When they heal, same problem, whatever problem is occur in between them, they will sit and talk. No need to fight, no need to create a hell. That toxicity, no need to create that negativity, toxicity, hell kind of things. But it is happening from our generations. But it will affect our kids' mind. No, not just kids, in our mindsets also. See, if you have parents who are in the trauma bond relationship, it will affect that kids. And that kids also carry on that trauma bond. That will affect their kids. It will continue generations. So that kind of energy. So if at all they have any kind of that kind of trauma bonding issues, that is also come under toxicity negativity. Okay? They are leaving everything. But they don't want you to know that they had all these things. Maybe because you still see them as a king of cups. Maybe you don't know this dark side. So before coming to you, before approaching you, they want to clear all this stuff so that you can have them in the same way how they are, or they can present you in the real way only. That is, they feel honest. They feel that they are honest with you, because it is past. Because Six of Swords is nothing but past. So even though they had any kind of toxicity in their life, it will be past, not present. That kind of energy. So they don't want you to know that they are walking away from their past things like addiction, toxicity, any kind of relationships which is not serving them. They are walking away from everything. So let's move on to pile number 5, which is white pile. So pile number 5, what they don't want you to know. So pile number 5, which is white pile. Here the zodiac signs are Leo, Sagittarius, or Scorpio, Libra. Okay. in this situation, someone is waiting for some kind of justice, someone is waiting for some kind of dealing with some kind of legal matters. So here, what they don't want you to know is, maybe I think this person is you. You are waiting for some kind of justice, or they are dealing with some kind of legal matters. Here you may be in the third party situation. Here I am getting clear message because your family is involved. You may be involved in third party situation and you are waiting for that person to come towards you. Okay, but it may be not favorable for you, but you need to listen it. Okay, they don't want you to know it, but you should listen it, because truth should come out. Truth will come out, and the thing is, whatever you had with them, it is ended. Death happened. It is ended. Nothing is left. In one way, if at all you are in third party situation, then some relationship is ended. There is no more third party. Now I cannot say that for you message is justice is served in your favor, or I can say justice served. Still I am getting, so here don't want to reveal it. I think here the message is you don't want you to know from the universe also, because this death is from the universe, and this justice also is from the universe, I can say. And here someone is waiting for the result, or at least they are in some situation, they are waiting for some kind of justice. So something completely ended here, nothing is left. See, take the messages. Even though if you don't like it also, you need to take these messages. Okay, you are dealing with someone which is third party situation, or at least 3 people are involved, more than 2 people are involved, whether it is a business dealing, whether it is a relationship, whether it is a friendship kind of thing. Okay, here I am not sensing any friendship, because Wands is completely a business kind of thing or relationship kind of thing. Okay, you may be waiting for that person, even you know that it is a 3-party situation, 3 people are involved. You may be waiting for your kind of justice. Whatever you did in that relationship, whatever you invested in that relationship, for that you may be looking for some kind of justice, or you simply waiting for the result. Let's see what will happen. Okay, this person is dealing with some kind of legal matters, or simply they are also waiting for some kind of justice. Death is happening. Now I cannot clearly tell that what is ended. Here some family is there. I cannot say that it is you or it is someone else, because as I said, it is a group of people. More than 2 is crowd. I feel more than 2 is crowd. So in that crowd, I cannot say which is ended, which is dead. Okay, so some death is happened in this situation. They don't want you to know about it, and justice served. Here I cannot say in your favor, because justice means it is kind of karma card. If at all it is completely belongs to you, these ships will come to you, reach you. But if at all justice is not in your favor also, here I am not sensing that in your favor, not in your favor, but here I can say that justice is served. So whoever involved in this situation, everyone got their share, whatever they deserve, I can say, or whatever based on their hard work, their investment, whatever they invested, based on that what they need to get, they got it, because it is a balance. Justice is some kind of balance, that karma will be balanced. So here, if at all you are waiting for certain person in your life, particular person in your life, think that even though it is a negative message, just take it. Okay, it is ended with them, it is dead, forget about it. Think that that situation is no more, existed in that life, in your life. That person is no more existed in your life. Whatever situation, whatever connection, whatever whomever they may be. And here justice will be served. How it will be served is, whatever investment you did in that connection, in that partnership, business, whatever hard work you kept, whatever time you spent, whatever patience you showed, you are going to get that result, but not in the same person. I hope you understand. Okay. If at all it is a business deal, you completed project, spending a lot of time, putting a lot of hard work, you patiently waiting for the result. Okay. Actually, you are not going to get that business project successfully. You won't get successful, I can say, or you are going to lose that end result. But you no need to worry that you kept a lot of time, lot of hard work, you patiently waiting, but still you did not get successful. You no need to worry, because justice is served means whatever hard work you kept, whatever time you spent on this, how much patience, whatever patience you showed on that situation or project, it will pay off, but not in that business, maybe better than that or equal to that or better than that, but not that. I hope you understand it. Okay. In a better way, if at all you gave interview to some job which is very favorite job, favorite company, you want to work for some organization which is your dream to work in that organization, that position is your dream to have that position, that pay package, everything. So you kept a lot of hard work, you prepared yourself, you went to interview, you cleared the interview, you are waiting for the call or offer letter. Okay, you are patiently waiting because you whatever needed you did it, you prepared, you gave that interview, you cleared all the rounds, and they said that we will let you know. So that kind of energy here. Okay, simply waiting for the result. But the thing is, that position is already filled with someone. That position is no more available for you, but justice is served. That means whatever hard work you kept, whatever by learning, by preparing yourself, going to that interview, giving your interview, clearing that rounds, whatever efforts you kept, whatever time you wasted, whatever energy you wasted, you are going to get result for that energy, but not in the same company, with the same position, with the same company. You will get, but without even preparing, you will get opportunity from some other company, which you don't even know that, because you prepared for this company. You went, attended interview for some company, but you are going to get some other opportunity which is better than this or in the equal level, but not less than. Your hard work is going to pay off, but not where you are looking for, I can say. Okay, how it is going to happen, don't ask. Okay, because when you went to some company, you gave interview, you will wait for that result, but you are going to get opportunity from other company. So now you don't ask me, I did not attended this company, how can you? Maybe someone is there who referred you, by reference you are going to get it. That is the reason. It is completely depends on universe, and I think here you are patiently waiting because you are trusting yourself, you are trusting your hard work, you are trusting the universe, and that universe is going to offer that differently. That here you need to keep an open mind. Okay, because in this situation you are blindly waiting for something. That is why I always say, don't wait for anything. See, I write the exams, I prepare, I go to exam, I write, I forget it. I literally forgot about that I wrote some exam and I am waiting for a result. My sister used to remind me, where is your result, when it is going to come. I don't even think about it because I will be busy with some other work. That's how we need to maintain. We should not wait for anything. no matter what it is, whether it is a relationship, whether it is a person, whether it is, here you are waiting patiently. That's a great thing. I appreciate your patience. But okay, that is also one reason maybe universe is appreciating your patience and they are giving something, but not what you are expecting. So I got the right word. You will get for your hard work, your effort, your time, you will get, but not what you are expecting, because whatever you are waiting for, that is already dead. It is not yours, I can say, or it went to someone else, because justice is served. So here universe is going to give you something in the same level as I said, or more than that you are going to receive. It is completely depends. You are waiting for very long time, then you are going to get more than that. That interest will be added. Okay, universe won't forget. Universe won't forget. Even if you forget also, universe won't forget. Okay, but here what I want to tell you is, here the thing is, the reading is, what they don't want you to know is, whomever you are dealing with, that person is not telling that it is ended. They accepted the death, but they are not telling that. I don't know why they don't want you to know, because maybe this situation is not in their hands, because it is a death card, it is from the universe, it is a justice card, it is a legal system. If at all in the 3D level, it is in the legal system. If at all in the from the universe served the justice, that is also one reason this death card appeared here. So maybe it is not even in that person's hand, whomever you are dealing with. That is also one reason they don't want you to know that. But you should know that whatever it is, the truth should come out, so that you can go for something else. But here anyway, universe is watching you, and universe know your hard work, universe know that you are patiently waiting for something. But here what you need to understand is, keep an open mind. Okay, don't feel bad or sad when universe is sending something which is not you are expecting, and don't reject it. It is your hard work. No one is coming and giving you freely. As I said, you are going to get opportunity from other company, which is you not even attended the interview. It doesn't mean that you did not prepare, you did not went to the interview, so you don't want to take it. Don't do that. It is your hard work which you kept in that company, which is you lost. So here, keep an open mind. Don't stick with the same company. No, I want this company. This is my dream company. I want only this company to join. That company may be better than this. That is also one reason maybe you never thought that to think about that company. Who knows, huh? Maybe you are simply looking for some kind of level 3 company. You got opportunity from level 5 company, because you don't dare to think about this level 5 company, because your abilities are only level 3 company. That kind of. So here the situation will be like that. Okay, whatever you are going to get, that is better than what you are expecting. Whatever efforts you kept, you are going to get better than that. So here simply keep an open mind. Okay, keep an open mind and accept what is coming, and don't feel guilty or any kind of regret kind of thing, or guilty or sadness, because when something comes which we are not expecting, and when came to know that we are receiving something, we lost something we wanted, people, it is a human psychology, instead of looking for that great thing, they simply cry for losing this thing. So don't do that thing. Okay, don't do such kind of things, because whatever you are going to get, it is for your patience, for your hard work, for your trust on the universe. Universe is giving you something better than that. Okay, here I don't know why whomever you are dealing, they don't want you to know about it. How come they don't want you to know about it? It completely depends on your situation and depends on them, because I think in this situation at least you deserve to know about it. You should know the truth, what is happening, because here multiple people are there. No one should keep someone in the shadow. The truth should come out. So anyway, don't worry. As I said, just keep an open mind. Whatever comes in your way, take it. Okay? Don't cry over something which is not because you're waiting for something, you're not going to get it. That's why I said. Okay. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You'll find the details in description box.